topic is climate action regarding carbon dioxide UID design. This is group numbers information. So the first part is application story. It's asking from people's daily life, safety and environmental production. It uses simple smart tools like AI, IoT, and code technology to support digital and green development. This app follows nearest us ability rules to bring users a simple and smooth experience. It has basic features. It solves common products of the system, such as slow-span and weekend security. With AI real-time updates and safe cloud storage, users can get information quickly and safely. It also helps manage carbon emissions and support low carbon activities.
Now we have the 10 functions of the equipment. So the first 4 is visual display, second is local stored data, third is multi-dimensional data statistics, and 4 is automatic pop-up for excessive emission concentration. So the first one we have is supports multiple data presentation formats to realize the data visualization and lower the user entry barrier for our UI UX. The second is to store the local data where the users are able to log into their accounts and enable cloud synchronization where the mobile terminal automatically stores the data to ensure complete retention of emission data. Third one is where the detection device conducts real-time monitoring. If emissions exceeds the specific limit, the app will pop up with a warning vibration, alert, and attach simple suggestions instead to help the user. The fourth will be stored data automatically, generates multi-cycle statistical reports, support switching between various views, and reduce the labor costs. The fifth one we have is emission data export, where the users are able to select data and choose the export file format simultaneously for sharing. The sixth one is solution recommendation, where the mobile terminal generates targeted suitable emission reduction plans based on collected data and user habits. The next would be the device management to help the users support simultaneous login on mobile terminals if they want to log in from any other mobiles and web pages, and it allows access for multiple devices at the same time, like what I mentioned. Next will be the personal center, where the app includes a personal homepage that aggregates all data and records user emission data. Second last will be the Bluetooth connection detection device, where it supports Bluetooth connection with mobile terminals, one-click pairing, and real-time data upload to ensure the data collection function. Last but not least will be the location tracking, where it's the most important for our device application. Where the detection device is equipped with positioning function, it can plan optimal routes for user to minimize carbon emission and time, and support whole-life timing tracking locations. Now,
so this is the technical architecture diagram for our carbon emissions detection system. It shows how different components work together to collect, process, and manage carbon emission data. The system consists of 4 layers: the user layer, cloud layer, IoT device layer, and the physical layer. The carbon emission sensor collects real-time data from the vehicle and sends it to the mobile application through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The mobile application communicates with the backend server using HTTPS or API. The backend stores data in the MySQL database. Use the AI analytics engine to analyze carbon emission and generate recommendations, and send notifications through file-based cloud messaging. Overall, the system components IoT, AI, and the cloud computing to provide secure, scalable, and real-time carbon emission moderating.
Okay, so second part is UID design. Firstly, the main color is gray. You are sign up with email and password. After signing up, and you need a password to back in. This page saves and keeps all your user data. Second, it calculates carbon dioxide output from short to and spot. It also shows daily temperature with noise levels. Third, this page may use it to look up your target place. It shows how far you need to go and outpicks the fast pace. high traffic, shorten cities, and count carbon oxides output. It also predicts relative data.
It's a car navigation track you are driving in real time. It gives you an income score to show how green you drive it. On the stream, this street gets a good score of 13.2. It costs 415 G code 2 and save $2.4. All numbers pop out clearly, so people will drive slowly and make less pollution. Second, the carbon dashboard records your daily CO2 output. It compares today's data with all the records. It also turns the numbers into ideas. If you cut 5% carbon, you save 3 green trees. The Howry charts let you find which activities make more pollution and change your habits. Different transportation modes will display the various carbon emission level with time steps. Where green indicates emissions within the standard limit and red signifies exceed it. And the system will probably allow users to monitor their carbon emissions. In short, Air Systems Pro has 3 useful parts: green driving track, carbon counts, and home air monitor. It uses clear picture to show hard environmental data simply. It helps everyone build a low carbon life.
In this section, we have the trend analysis, where you can see the interface that shows the CO2 concentration ppm 442. Below that, you can see the graph that shows the peak of the carbon emission that you've been using as the user. The function are to display the historical CO2 concentration. It also helps to identify the trends and the peak emission levels. It has consistent spacing and a card-based layout. For the next page is the history page, where you can see the green travel trips. This helps users to choose on which transport they want to use to help reduce the carbon emission, whether public transit or cycling and walking, or you can do your smart planning for your next day or your current day. In a scrollable vertical list, and each recommendation is separated into their individual cards, as you can see, and the icons are helped to improve quick recognition, so to help users not waste their time. For the next one is the expert emission reports, where there is 2 sections. The first section is time interval, where you can choose between 7 days or 30 days, or you want a custom range of different days. And when you choose your days, you will go to the data metrics, where you can see how much carbon emissions you have used with your personal vehicle. It has a simple and uncounted interface that reduces any confusion that any users would have.
This is the eco comparison page. It allows users to compare their carbon footprints with the regional average. The page includes a comparison chart and regional ranking, making its information easy to understand. So this is a history page, and the user can review their carbon emission records and track their environmental performance. The page uses a simple layout with a performance card. So next is the alarms page. It provides important notifications such as CO2 alarms and system updates. Different color help user quickly identify important information. Okay, now.
So this is the device health page. We use a simple card, so user can easily see the hardware status. You can quick check the battery life, network signal, and the next collaboration date. This makes the managing the device very easy. So next is the display settings page. We want to give the user more choice to fit their needs. So user can change how their data looks. They can choose a beautiful chart, clear data and tables, or simple media mode. Also, they can easily switch the measurement units between ppm and the percentage. This gives users full control over what they see on their screen. So finally is the user profile page. We add some fun features to make the protecting environment more rewarding. User can see their total carbon dioxide saved saved and how many days they have been active. They can also help level up and earn special badges.